YouTube channel where you can enjoy sewing, styling outfits, DIY fashion projects, and practice sustainable fashions. Subscribe to my channel so you can see more of it. In today's episode, I will create a trendy Y2K style see-through dress from my old dress. This is how it looked like before the transformation. To start, I cut out 2 sleeves and cut out the front neck of the dress. I don't like how it looked currently. I will create a front square neck for my today transformation. The back neck I keep it as it is because the back has the zip line and I don't want to change that design. For the body of the dress, I wear it again and mark where I want to sew because I want my new design to be fit to my body. Let's start sewing. I sew 2 sides of the body part of the dress first and cut out the extra fabric in this area. I will use them after, so that's why I start with this area first. Next, sew 2 sides of the sleeves using hemming stitch. Next, cut out the front neck hem from the leftover fabric we had when we sewed the bodyline of the dress. One side of the cut-out fabric is overlocked beautifully, hence I will keep it and will take advantage of this. To make it easier for me to sew, I iron the fabric where I will fold it when sewing the front neck. Now let's attach the front neck hem to the front neck to sew. And this is how my front neck will look like. Let me know in the comment if you have any experience in sewing this part. To be honest, this is my first time I chose this type of stitch to sew for my neck design. I still have some leftover fabric, so I decided to make a ruffle string attached to the bottom of my dress. However, I had sewed the bodyline of my dress before, and now I found it impossible for me to draw this stitch with my bare hand. Hence, I gotta unthread about 15 cm in one side of my dress bottom, just so I can pull the new thread in this area later. I hand sew this 15 cm area of my dress bodyline and make it loose so it will be easy for me to pull it later. After that, I tried it on and decided where the dress should stop and how tense I should pull the stitch. After securing my pull stitch for the ruffle design at the bottom of one dress side, I hemmed the bottom of the dress. Now let's make swirling ruffle string to attach to the bottom of the dress. You can cut out a fabric based on the shape you see in a snail shell. When you are about to complete the circle, you make the cut further away from the starting point and closer to the core of the snail shells. Because I still have some extra fabric, I tried to make a wavy ruffle from it and shape those wavy ruffle into a rose to attach in one side of the shoulder strap. And this is a final look. Overall, I feel like, okay, this look nicer, but to be honest, this project doesn't look wow for me. It's fine. I kind of wow to myself every single time I flip something new from something old. I have to admit. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please do not hesitate to click subscribe to my channel and other social media of me. I put them in the description. For more fashion and sewing contents, have a nice day today. Love ya. Bye.